Me, I no get 30 billion. Oh no, yeah, way. But I got so much love to give you. I got so much love to give you. Oh na 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 na.
No, I'm joking. Good morning, good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel that you must be on every day because it's fun. You read the caption, which I've not made yet, but I have made in the future. If you've read the caption, you know that I'm trying sweets from, or stuff from somewhere else. Because I have friends that love me and I ask them to bring me sweets and stuff. So, like, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's get into it. If you guys are wondering why I keep looking there, it's because my friend, the one who got me all this stuff, is right there and doesn't want to be in the video, so I'm gonna respect that, but I'll be getting feedback and stuff, so enjoy. So we're gonna start with what this is. Cassava, fried cassava. Fried cassava. If you don't get cassava, ouch, this hurts, man. It was packaged so nobody can open this. My teeth literally seized when I was trying to bite this.
Use a pair of scissors, you know.
Ow. Okay, I don't have my scissors. Okay. Oh, I didn't even show the packaging. Apparently, it's called Manoic.
It's manioc.
Manioc chip. It's spicy. It's spicy. Like cassava. It's so hard. Like, how is it made?
It's just sliced and fried.
They slice the cassava and then they fry it. That's it.
Yeah. It's like chips.
It's chips.
Yeah.
Like, giving me a headache, man. This is really interesting. It's like savory. It's really nice. I like it. I like it. Next, onion biscuits. I don't eat onion. Like, I hate onion. I only recently started eating onion, of which I still don't eat it. And there's like a few in here. There's like 10 in here.
It's what do you call
Like, literally. Hi, bro. I think this is where Lay's, the company Lay's, got their idea from, because there's literally 10 in here. Like, I could just hang. The whole thing is gone. This is so, oh my god, this is so good. This is so good. Wow. I like this. I really like this. I like with cheese button. Muchena. Okay. This is the same company as this onion ring.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. I feel so bad for like opening everything all at once. These are good. But then another one with 10 things inside. This is high key. These people and Lay's, this company and Lay's, same WhatsApp group.
This is what we eat when we're sick, like as kids.
Yeah.
When you're sick.
When you're sick, this is your snack. I'm sick every day then. And another one from this company. We know there's like maybe 11 things inside. Maybe 11. Snack crackers. Okay. I think these remind me of like in South Africanism, there's these little like, they're called mini cheddars. Like, you get them in a string and they're like this size. It's like a biscuit.
They're like saltines.
Savory nuts. Like, I don't really like nuts. Unless. But anyway. Okay, I'll try them, and it's the same company. I think this is the company that rules snacks for you, yeah? This one is trying. It's got 20 inside. Like, these aren't nuts.
They are not. That's the
Why would they lie? Why are they lying?
It's because they look like nuts. Like
They're
cashews.
lying.
They're supposed to look like cashews, I guess.
This looks like a cashew. Actually, I don't even know what a cashew looks like.
Cashew nut?
I don't know what a cashew looks like.
That's what a cashew
Are you
looks like.
serious?
Yeah,
You've never had cashew nut?
I don't like nuts. This one looks like a masala pack. Oh my god, I'm so wrong. It looks like hikey. This looks like a dried curry. Like, what is this? It looks like it's got like nuts, peas, and pasta. It's made from gram flour.
Yeah, like chickpea flour.
Chickpea. I don't. Okay.
Like, it's made into
So
a
it's
paste.
basically like, it's like a vegan snack.
Yeah, you can say that.
It's like a vegan snack.
Hmm.
No way.
It's not branded as a vegan snack. It's just snack.
It's called taste mixture. Let me get ready. Okay. I'm scared. Not here. I'm genuinely scared. I'm genuinely scared. I'm genuinely scared. If I die, remember me with my videos. It's wonderful. It's great. Okay, this is not my favorite. Like, coconut. So, okay. This has got sellotape on it. Like, so I'm guessing this has nuts and chocolate. More nuts. Yay. These people, guys, you buy a whole box like this and you get something this small. These people are liars. They are, we need to go back to your country and we need to put some acquisitions in. You buy a whole packet, you find 10 things inside. Here, more things and 10 things. But anyway, I'm excited to try these because they look like whispers. Shout out to Cadbury. Okay. Oh my god, these are so good. They taste like something I had growing up in Zimbabwe. They taste very much like it. I like these. The Mentos marbles. Let us see. Ah! Still, is that gross for you? I know.
5 second rule.
Oh my god, these are so good. They're definitely not sour. Definitely. It's not. They lied. And I feel like these taste great. They taste like the South African Maynards. If you know what that is. Jujubes. But you eat this whole packet in one night. You wake up with diabetes. Strong one time tomorrow. But these are really good. Apparently this is, it's called Tropical Coconut Centered Chocolate. After all this sugar, I am going to need like 5 liters of water just to wash this sugar down. Will I even be able to sleep this night? I'll be bouncing off the walls. Ooh, look at that. It reminds me of Bounty. You know Bounty?
It's a copy of that.
Oh my god, it's so good. No, this is good. This is so good. Not that the other things aren't good, but this is like, oh my god. I like this one. I love this one. My mom would love it. She loves Bounty a lot. It looks so cute. It looks like Skittles, but like a baby Skittles. Sure. I'm gonna go need to redo my fillings after this. Like high key, yo. Oh my gosh, this tastes like Smarties. This is Smarties. But it tastes exactly the same. I think someone who works at Smarties got so angry, was like, and then went to go start Pebbles. That's the story of how Pebbles was made, guys. In case anybody was wondering. Now I'm saying. Called Pop It. It's a chocolate coated Rice Krispies. Like the cereal Rice Krispies. Okay, now I'm gonna stop eating off of the floor. It's disgusting. This is so interesting. I like this. Ah! I accidentally spilled everything into my hands. Oh wow. Chit chat to you later. This is nice. It's like a wafer and chocolate. This is glucorasa. Like, I think these guys were so... They literally didn't know. Like, they're like, oh, okay. This is made of glucose. Okay. These are nice. These are really nice. Oh, God. I'm so tired of this sugar now. And I just hit the mother load. Chunky chalk. Ooh. What you get for your lover? Oh my gosh, this thing doesn't want to open, hey? Ooh, this is definitely what you give your girl. It even comes in a tray. Woo! Okay, this is a random one. Where did you get this one? Did you pick it from the side of the road? Say yes.
No. Because of the flavor. Like it's different.
Ooh, this is so good. It's like chocolate and minty. Ooh,
It's minty.
ooh, this is my favorite.
We get it when we have sore throats and all that, like as kids.
Bruh, I'd be sick every day.
Every day.
Yeah. This one called Juts. What? Juts jelly. And it's like a little jelly. It looks so Japanese like. You know, I feel like the Japanese are usually the people who have these like little weird sweets. It feels like you're eating a jellyfish. It's just dissolved in my mouth. Okay. Okay. Cream milfs. Cream fills. I like it. Actually, I like all of these sweets. Except that chili thing, man. This is enough candy to last me the whole year. My entire academic year.